In 1984, I met a very fine man named Dr. Torsten Wiesel. I asked him if he'd be kind enough to bring together a group of outstanding scientists to assess the work that was going on in the field of optic nerve regeneration. My wife and I held a symposium at the Cosmos Club, and what we learned was that science was not yet far enough along to make anything feasible from our perspective. It would be more than presumptuous to tell this group about the advances in science and technology that have occurred since then. As a personal matter, I've had the opportunity to see the nation's scientific grid through business, academia, and government. As a trustee of Johns Hopkins University and Johns Hopkins Medicine, which incorporates the medical school and the hospital. As an appointee of President Clinton's National Science Board, which operates the National Science Foundation. And as chairman of my own enterprise, I witnessed historic advances that enabled me to believe that we could now discuss the regeneration of the optic nerve, the acoustic nerve, the spinal cord. If one, why not the other? If any, why not the entire human central nervous system? Ultimately, the regeneration of the human nervous system will enable us to eradicate blindness and deafness, provide new ways of treating spinal cord injuries, develop new therapies, and perhaps even cures for diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. I know large steps have to be taken, and institutions like NIH and other human institutions are progressing as rapidly as they can along fruitful lines of inquiry. But I still believe that even smaller steps can potentially be helpful in ways, in perhaps ways that are unforeseeable as yet. So for me, therefore, finding ways to reach the goal of regular scientific cross-discipline exchange and fertilization could potentially be extraordinarily helpful to the people who have been suffering from all of the diseases I have mentioned. I now stand ready to help those people who want to achieve this goal, to help the people working in these fields to achieve it. After all, the longest way around is the shortest way home. Thank you.